back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about IRS tax debit relief or forgiveness. Allow the taxpayer who owe the unpaid taxes to reduce part of their debt according to their circumstances. While tax debit relief is relatively rare, it's not impossible, and each case needs to be assessed by a professional to determine whether the person is eligible. The government also has an IRS debt forgiveness program that offers several options to relieve tax debt. The IRS Debt Forgiveness Program was set up to help taxpayers with complete tax forgiveness process and organize an appropriate debt payment repayment program. Here is the quick overview of IRS debt forgiveness. What is the debt forgiveness program? Basically, it is a IRS debt forgiveness is a program which is initiative. Only certain people are entitled to tax debt forgiveness. Only certain people are entitled to tax debt forgiveness, and each person financial assistance need to be assessed. IRS debt forgiveness applies if the taxpayer can claim the extreme financial hardship and if all previous tax returns have been completed. The IRS debt relief program allows you to avoid high penalties for overdue taxes. Tax debt forgiveness is also better for your credit score in long run because IRS debt forgiveness is an official way of setting up a debt consolidation plan. This will look better on your permanent record. Who is eligible for program? IRS debt relief is for those with $50,000 or less debt. For the married couple, the tax debt forgiveness is always available if their solo income is below $1 lakh or $2 lakh. You can also apply for the IRS debt forgiveness program if you are self-employed and have experienced at least 25% loss of income. Your case needs to be examined to determine your IRS debt forgiveness program eligibility. Tax debt forgiveness will be calculated according to your unique circumstances along with a payment plan. There are several options for reducing the debts to IRS. How does the forgiveness plan work? You must apply for tax debt relief and can be accepted into an IRS debt forgiveness program. You must then agree to the terms of your IRS debt forgiveness program. The IRS will continually assess your financial situation to monitor your tax debt forgiveness. You will be given an IRS debt forgiveness payment plan to pay off the total or amended amount in a lump sum or installments. Find out if you are eligible. To find out if you are eligible for relief from taxation, contact a professional. Tax relief and company as clean slate tax. Our friendly team will be able to provide you with more information on IRS debt forgiveness program. We understand that every case is different regarding IRS tax debt forgiveness. If you would like to see if you are eligible for IRS debt forgiveness, contact us today for a free case relief. What is debt relief? Debt relief or debt cancellation is partial or total forgiveness of debt or the slowing or stopping of debt growth by the individuals, corporations or nations. What is a tax shield? A tax shield is an income tax reduction resulting from taking an allowable deduction from taxable income. For example, because interest on debt is a tax deductible expense, taking on debt create a tax shield. Expert fact on the debt relief on you may be negotiate a plan with the IRS that is more manageable for your budget. You may qualify for an offer in compromise which allows you to settle your tax debt for less than what is owed. The process of obtaining relief can take several months or even years, depending on your situation and how much money you owe. Working with a qualified professional who understands all aspects of tax law, has experience dealing with IRS is essential, and many different tax relief programs are available, so it's essential to research each one carefully before deciding which one is right for you. Thank you so much for watching.